we've got piles of piles piled by this thing, a piler. But what is a pile? So these piles on the Clyde Road Upgrade will support the brand new bridge that we're building here to make sure everyone can get in and out of Berwick and onto the freeway as quickly as possible. All right, so to get these piles sunk, we got to dig really, really deep. So as we can see here, this drill bit will go down up to 17 meters into the ground, hit the bedrock, hit some stable soil, and from there we can pour the piles. And that's going to form the foundation for these bridges. And once we've got all the piles in, we're going to be able to start work on the center medium blade, which supports the entirety of the bridge, making sure that everything's safe for years to come. For more on the Clyde Road Upgrade, please visit the Victoria Big Build website.